Today we are going to see about the structures in C. First, let me have a small introduction about data type. Initially in C, there are three types of data type. First one is the primary data type, next is the derived, and last one is the user defined. Primary data type example are int, float, char, and next is the derived data type example are array. We all know that array is a collection of data of same data type, and now it is structure. Structure is the user defined data type. It is the collection of data of different data types. That is, in structure you can have more than one data type, like combinations of int and float, character array, you can have anything. Okay. Now let's see how to define the structure. The most important thing is the structure should be defined outside the main function. Okay. For syntax is struct. It is the keyword, structure name, and then the opening brace, closing brace, and semicolon. Semicolon is the most important thing. Within this, we have to declare all the variables of the structure. Okay. Now let's see example. Here, struct inventory. As I told earlier, struct is the keyword, inventory is the name of the structure. Inside this, I have four variables of different data type. First is the character array name, next is the quantity of type integer, third is the price of type float, fourth is the amount of type float. All these four are called as the data members of the structure inventory. Name of the structure is inventory, and all these four are called as the data members of the structure inventory. And then these four variables are enclosed between the opening brace, closing brace. Most important thing, the closing brace should be followed by a semicolon. All these things must be defined before the main function. And then let's move on to the main function. Now I have to access all these variables, name, quantity, price, amount. How can I do it? So here what we have to do is, we have to create a structured variable. Okay, struct inventory. This is for this, I have to create a variable. So struct inventory. Struct is the keyword, inventory is the name of the structure, and then IT. This is the name I have given to my structure inventory. If now I have to access the name, quantity, price and amount, I have to use the variable name IT followed by the dot operator and name of the data member of structure inventory. Okay, first let's see. Name is of type character array. So I am going to assign a string value to the name. I have to access the name using the structure variable followed by dot name. Here it is unnamed. I have given value as pen in double quotation. Next is the quantity QTY. It is of type integer, and then structure variable name is IT dot QTY equal to 15. Next is IT dot price. Here you see price is the variable of type float. So I am giving a 10.75. Next is I have to compute the value of amount from quantity and price. I have to multiply the value of price and quantity and store it in the value amount. So IT dot amount, that is here the amount, and then the structure variable followed by dot amount equal to IT dot price. In next step, I am printing the content of the name, quantity, price, amount. That same is followed here. Wherever I have to use all the name, price, QTY, amount, I have to use the structure name followed by dot operator and then the name of the variable. This is the simplest way to understand about the defining the structure, how to access the data members of the structure. Thank you.